Red Carpet Bay Area is in Atherton tonight with all the major players.
Imagine 49ers, Giants, Warriors, and Raiders all in the same game. And tonight, the name of the game is Giving at the 49er Academy Gala Under the Stars. Warrior co-owner Joe Lacob and Nicole Curran spent 2.5 years building this beautiful home, so tonight is something of a housewarming.
I'm so pleased tonight to open my home to a really, really good cause.
A really good cause for truly great kids. The 49ers Academy first opened in East Palo Alto back in 1996. Its mission, keeping kids safe, on track, and in school.
We provide a lot of extra support services, counseling, mentoring, after-school programs.
These kids that are striving for a great education and a future. So today we're hoping to set a record in fundraising.
Means a lot to our organization, to our owner, and all our players and coaches.
Yeah, no question. Yeah, I've been up to the academy and done some projects there.
We have a community fund as well, the San Francisco Giants, and we get great support from the 49ers and the Warriors and everybody else. So it's about reciprocity.
It's exciting to see so many people here and involved and supporting the cause.
It's great food, good music, lots of cool auction items. Of course, everyone's beautifully dressed as always.
Indeed, the players look good tonight. They traded the numbers on their jerseys for a number on a paddle.
It's all in, it's all done.
That's Bob Sarlett and former defensive back Eric Davis getting the crowd going.
We're talking about cookies. It's item number 1A, $3,000. Last call. All in, all done, sold at $3,000 in the front.
Possibly the most expensive cookies Michael Utenscu will ever taste. Tiffany & Company in Palo Alto sweetened the pot with a pendant worth almost $8,000.
Open your boxes. If you have a blue and white box, you're the winner. Anticipation is killing me.
Me too.
It's killing me. Oh, we have a winner!
There's some cheering.
Winner!
Liz,
Congratulations.
come on up. Nice.
Hey guys, now.
It's Liz Smith. She's a winner.
I dressed Sarah Arba, Katie Carrico, Jennifer Carrico, Danielle York, Michelle Starkey, and I raised $5,500 for the cause.
Red Carpet Bay Area salutes all the team players, their families, and friends for making this 49ers Academy Gala evening under the stars a huge success. Learn more about the 49ers Academy on their website, www.49ers-academy.org.